Hey everybody, this is Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I've deconstructed the mother of all pallets. Let's see what we're going to make. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, I just wanted to say sorry about the sound. It does not crackle the whole time. So in this pallet deconstruction, I have worked 9 hours. I'm going to make about $2,500 after all is said and done. What you see behind me is all that's going to Amazon, okay? So all of this is going to get sold online to Amazon, and then everything else is going to go into a cell phone accessories box. There's still money to be made there, but I didn't want to piecemeal it out. So I'm making the cell phone accessories boxes accessible to you. I have gone through each and every item. I wanted to show you this box right here behind the camera. This is all items that they're still in relatively new, nice condition, but the boxes are demolished. You will not get any of those in your cell phone accessories boxes. The type of stuff you're going to get is what you see on the table. Anything that's in great resellable eBay condition. And so I've already got them for sale. Check the link in the description below, but they're all going to be worth it to be able to buy and resell. I've got the cell phone accessories boxes. I'm actually going to put together a box right in front of your eyes to show you what exactly is going into a box. All the cell phone accessories boxes go in this. As you can see, they're actually stacked up behind me. And so everything has nice resellable stuff. So I'll take stuff like this, great box condition, and we're just going to start building and putting a variety of different things in there. It'll have 25 or more items. We're definitely going to put some phone cases in here. So I've got some of these. These run $5 to about $20 online on eBay as I've looked them up. And then, of course, we've got some. Here's a Disney Pixar Incredibles case. We'll stick that in there. These Google Earth Live cases, I'm going to put those in there. Here's a donut case. These sell awesome, these InvisiShield glass covers. We're going to put some otterboxes in there. I think we had some Under Armour. Here's an Under Armour case. We'll put that in there. And then here's a Sharp clock. We can even put that in there. And then some other various cases and charging cables that sell decent. Donut case. So that's basically what we're going to look at. Wireless charging pad, we'll put that in there too. So it's going to be filled to the brim with 25, maybe even 26 items in there, and you'll be able to resell them on eBay. So they're a great platform. Check the link in the description. You can buy them on hookedonpickin.com. That's the best place to get them. Or if you're an international buyer, you can purchase them off eBay. So just so you know, I worked 9 hours on the 3 pallets. So I'm going to make $2,500. So that puts me at $418 of profit after what I paid, because I paid $2,082. And that puts me at, I think, what is it, $46 an hour. So 9 hours worth of work, making $46 an hour. That's pretty good profit for me. I probably could have made a little bit more had I also decided to sell these, but I wanted to offer them as an option for you after I kind of went through and took out all the bad stuff. So you don't really have any trash. You have a bunch of stuff to resell, and hopefully it's been helpful to see exactly what I got on this monster 3 pallet stack of cell phone accessories, and hopefully it's been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Don't know how to get to Via Trading? Click the link in the description below. Via Trading was also awesome enough to create a coupon code for my viewers only. Use the coupon code HOOKED, shown in the description below. This code will give you $50 off your very first order of $250 or more from Via Trading.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. If you want to buy some of these Hooked on Pickin boxes, go to hookedonpickin.com. Check these out. They're for sale, ready to go for you. And then, of course, you want to watch more of my videos. But if you want to start reselling and not spend $2,000 on pallets and you want to spend a lot less, go ahead and buy these boxes, put them on eBay, and start making money.